This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Regina Carroll. Light and airy. 2 halves. 5 halves home in PGA Villages. Oak Hill is on an ultra-private corner lot. Open floor plan has a den and separate dining room. Each bedroom has an ensuite, and there's a half bath, too. Enjoy serene water views from the 22x14 covered and screened lanai. The generous primary bedroom has dual walk-in closets as well as access to the patio. 12-foot ceilings in the living room and 10-foot ceilings elsewhere are enhanced with arched windows. Enjoy the benefits of living in a golf course community without a membership requirement. The Island Club provides indoor and outdoor activities for the whole family. Easy access to major highways makes commuting a breeze, and nearby shopping is plentiful. Come see. For more information, review the details below.